Hello and welcome. In today's QuickStart tutorial, we'll walk you through the time-saving improvements made to item setup and maintenance in Seller Center. In the left-hand navigation, click Item Setup and Maintenance. You'll see two separate fulfillment types, Seller-fulfilled items and Walmart-fulfilled items. In this video, we'll be looking at Seller-fulfilled items. You'll see three options: Add single item, Add items in bulk, and Maintain items. Click Add single item if you just need to add one individual SKU. Add the product identifier, item name, and the category of your item. Fill out your item information for both required attributes, noted by an asterisk, and as many recommended attributes as possible. To ensure better discoverability and search of your items, be sure to add as many recommended attributes as you can. Don't forget to click through all three sections: Item Content, Imagery and Media, and Offer. Click Add Items in Bulk to download and set up your items in the spreadsheet. Choose an option from the drop-down menu and download the Excel Item Spec. If you haven't migrated to custom shipping templates, you will see an option to download the 3.1 spec. We encourage you to migrate to custom shipping templates and migrate entirely to the 4.0 spec sheet. You can start to use the 4.0 spec on your existing items. We now have two workflows for item setup and maintenance. The goal of the item setup spreadsheet is to help you identify required attributes quickly. Attribute groups at the top of the Excel file specify if an attribute is required, recommended, or optional. Start entering item information from row 7 and please do not edit any hidden items in the document. You'll see instructions in row 6 with the attribute definition, data types, data lengths, and example values. Use closed lists where applicable. Look for a plus sign to multi-select attributes. You insert a new column and copy-paste rows 3 through 7 onwards. For multi-select attributes, be sure to add attribute values in the order you want them to show on the site. After you submit your spec sheet, you can track the status of your items in Feed Status. You can quickly download an error report to see the number of errors and messages for your submission. You'll see the associated attributes highlighted in yellow. You'll also notice that only items in error are present in the error report, with instructions on how to fix them at the beginning of each row. If you've run into a system or a timeout error, please retry or contact a support agent for assistance. To speed up your workflow, you can either re-upload your original file with errors fixed or upload the corrected error Excel download to Seller Center. Navigate back to your Manage Items page and click Maintain Items. Maintain Items is a new section for you to quickly edit and maintain items one attribute at a time, instead of uploading an entire spreadsheet. Click the drop-down to see all spec files for each category. The maintenance spreadsheet has attributes grouped by themes such as Basic Item Info, Images, Compliance, etc. You can edit any of the attributes that you need without taking the time to fill out the entire sheet. For example, if you only wanted to update the product name, just enter the SKUs, the product IDs, and the product names that you want to change. You can leave unwanted attributes blank or delete the columns if you prefer. Please note that each upload overrides and replaces existing item values if it wins content ranking. To learn more about item specs, go to sellerhelp.walmart.com and search for Item Spec. And that's it. Thank you for watching this QuickStart tutorial. As always, if you need an extra hand, please check out our QuickStart guides, search Seller Help, or contact partner support for assistance.